Experiencing issues sending messages on ALDI Mobile? You're not alone. This problem often stems from SMSC, RCS iMessage conflicts, or network glitches, common for MVNOs like ALDI. The most common causes are incorrect SMSC settings, RCS incompatibility, or iMessage interference. First, verify your SMSC number. Dial forward and 3 on Android, go to Phone Information, and check SMSC. It should be 859101 or similar for your region. Incorrect? Update it. For Android, ensure chat features are enabled in Google Messages for RCS. If iMessage is causing issues on an iPhone, try signing out of iCloud, reactivating iMessage, and confirming SMSC settings via Settings, Cellular Data Options. Still not working? Try resetting your APN to Wholesale or VZ Winternet. Finally, try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. These steps resolve most messaging issues. These methods have been found to resolve 70% of reported issues based on ALDI Mobile's internal metrics. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the problem might be deeper. ALDI Mobile operates as an MVNO on Verizon's network, relying on Verizon's infrastructure. This dependency can lead to intermittent messaging issues. Try clearing the Google Messages app cache on Android devices. This can resolve RCS and SMS issues by removing corrupted data. During outages reported on Down Detector, users often apply temporary fixes like changing APN to fast.tmobile.com. This is a workaround for Verizon-related issues. For iPhones, ensure carrier settings are up to date. Go to Settings, General, About to check for updates. If problems persist, it might be a broader outage. Check ALDI Mobile's support forum or Down Detector. Experts note these issues stem from MVNO compromises. If messaging problems remain frequent, switch to Google Messages for RCS support. The messaging landscape is moving toward RCS, potentially resolving issues by 2026.